How to delete your Snapchat account. First thing first, head over to your application Snapchat and make sure you are logged into your account that you want to delete. Tap on your profile at the top left corner and then click on this gear icon at the top right corner. Scroll down to the bottom and you'll find the option of I need help. Head over to it. It will land you on this interface. Again, scroll down and tap on Manage my account. Now click on Delete or Reactivate my account. Here tap on How do I delete my Snapchat account. Once again scroll down and right here you'll find the option of Account Portal. Tap on it. Enter the username of your Snapchat account. Once you are done, tap on Next. Now in this section, enter the password of your Snapchat account. And once you are done, tap on Next. It will land you on this page where you'll get to delete your Snapchat account. All you want to do is scroll down and right here once again you need to enter the password of your Snapchat account. And whenever you are ready to delete your Snapchat account, just tap on Continue and your account will be deleted successfully. You'll be good to go. So that's it, and this is simply how you can delete your Snapchat account. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.